Good night. My presentation. My full name is Alberto Sanchez. I am 29 years old. I am from Bogota. I live in Kennedy. My profession is fruit laboratory. My hobby is play soccer. I live with my wife. I study industrial engineering. My favorite food is ajiaco. My favorite TV show is Gas Monkey. My favorite sport is soccer. My daily routine. In the morning, usually at 6 and the clock. I to have a bath and eat to brush your teeth. After I do have breakfast, I decide goodbye my wife and I go to work in bicycle. At 4 o'clock, it will go home sometimes I work until more late. I study always at night and it will go to bed. Bye.